Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to work with layers. So you can see this is the interface of Autodesk SketchBook, and now what I'm going to do first is to open a new page. From here you can click on a new sketch, and then you can choose the dimensions of the page you want. Like for example, you can manually enter the pixel dimensions, or you can either select the type of dimension you need. If I'm gonna select the A4 size, just click on the A4. We do not want to save the previous one, so do not save. And then here is the new page. So pinch it inside so that it will fit on the screen. This is better to work with. So first of all, before selecting a new layer, I'm going to show you how and why we need it. And I'm going to select a pen from here. This is fountain pen. And then I'm going to select any color that I need. Okay, so I'm going to make some mountains and then click on the bucket option to fill the color. And then I will select another color, let's say black color, and then I will create mountains again. Click on the bucket and fill the layer. So we have these mountains. Now we need to add the layer so that we can create a sky. Here you can see the plus option at the sidebar. Click on this plus icon, and then you can see another layer is added. And in this layer we are going to create the sky. To make a sky, I think this pen here on the the left side, it's called the flow airbrush. This is very nice pen to work with the sky. So we're going to resize the brush based on our drawing. You can decrease the opacity, which is the flow rate, and then you can start creating the sky. You can increase or decrease the opacity based on the work. This is just an example. I am not doing it perfectly, just to show you how the layers work. So you're going to drop this layer beneath this layer so that sky colors will be hidden. Just click on this layer and drag it down. So you can see the sky is beneath the mountain layer. So now we can try creating a moon. So we will create another layer for the moon. Here is another layer. Again, we will select the fountain brush, and then we will select the white color and click on this predictive stroke to make a perfect circle. Here you can draw a circle and it will be a perfect circle just because of this option. And then now you can fill the circle by this bucket option. Click the circle and here is the moon. And what you're gonna do right now is, because we want this moon to go behind the mountain, so we will drag this layer in the middle of those layers. Now what we're gonna do is we will select the moon and drag it behind the mountain layer. So here is the select option, and then click on the moon and drag it. It will go behind the mountain. See, it's very easy. So you can work with layers to keep your drawings so nicely and perfect. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe to my channel and watch more relevant videos. Thank you very much.